Well, it happened, but then it didn't happen, right? So the overall market is down right now 3+%. And this is really, in my opinion, why it is down. There was the buildup. And frankly, I talked about it as well because we were speculating. We were speculating as to on Trump's inauguration, if he was or were to talk about crypto, what would happen. He gave numerous speeches, and it was never mentioned. And so Trump's first day in office ends with no mention of crypto. Now, today is his second day in office. He is still, as far as I understand it, still has quite a few of his executive orders that he has yet to sign and is going to be signing today as part of his, his business day today. Some of those executive orders are crypto related. So we could see something come out of that, right? But right now, Trump's first day in office ends with no mention of crypto. I think that's a big reason that this market is down. It's flat. There was the expectation, the hope that we all had that he would address crypto in one of his national speeches, which did not happen. Now, again, does that mean he's abandoned crypto? Does that mean crypto's been pushed aside? No, absolutely not. I mean, if you look at the speeches, and by the way, I watched all of them. I watched the entire inauguration. The speeches really had to do with more macro national issues, immigration, the security of our borders, the overall economy, education. I mean, there was a lot of larger, bigger, social issues that he addressed, right? Opening up drilling here in the United States, drilling of oil, things of that nature, right? So this is not he didn't do it, we're done, dead in the water. And if you think that, stop, because that's not true. That's not at all what it was. We were hoping, quite frankly, or speculating whether or not he would talk about it, and he didn't. Now, with that said, crypto is still going to be, per his presidency, starting now, the next 4 years, crypto is still a national priority. He is extremely, very, very, very pro crypto. So I'm not concerned at the least. This is a overreaction, -3, down 3%. This is an overreaction to the situation, in my opinion. And if you look at the stock market, which I looked at it earlier, let me refresh this and see what we got going on over here. When it decides it wants to refresh. Yeah, the stock market is up, and you can see right here on the side. See, the Dow is up right there. The Dow's up 234. The Nasdaq's down 5. So, the stock market's looking at what the Fed may have to do in reaction to Trump. There's a lot of moving parts here. Okay, so long and the short of it is, hey, we are fine. Don't freak out. Don't get a bad knee-jerk reaction. Go, oh, all right, well, we're done. No, that's not at all what this is. Just didn't happen. We were expecting, again, crypto to be addressed. Okay. So thanks for giving me a few minutes on this. I mean, again, you can see Bitcoin's down, Ethereum's down, XRP's down 7. Everything's down dramatically. I think this is overreacting to what we've been talking about in this video. Okay. So if you want more help making money in crypto, look, I've talked about this. Why do I talk about my software in pretty much every video? Because quite frankly, it works. And quite frankly, it can help you make more money in crypto. So if you're looking at ways, I'm sure this is January to you. Obviously, what I mean by that is January, you made a commitment to yourself to try to make more money in crypto, to make more money in general. This is one way you can do it. Look, this is my software working on XRP. This was November 5th to December 5th. This was the election. Okay. And when the market turns back on, which it will, I think we're going to see massive runs. So this is 30 days, 415% up, $3,000 invested right here. Would have made you a profit of over $12,000 in just 30 days. So that's what the software does. It tells you when to buy and when to sell, because most people don't have a clue the perfect time to buy, the perfect time to sell, and make all that profit in between. Okay. And that's what the software does. So if you were interested, links in the description below here on YouTube. And actually the link is below here on X too. If you're looking at X, if you're watching this on X, the links are right below this video in the comments if you want to go check it out. Okay. So the software is called X1 Algo. There's a discount code down there as well that makes software cost about a little over $1 a day. Quarterly option is the cheapest. 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. So said this way, you can try it. And for any reason you don't like it, you can get a complete refund the day you ask for it. Simple. We don't ask you why you're canceling. We don't ask you why you're refund. You don't have to give an answer or a reason. You just need to say, I want a refund. Cool. And we're done. And that's because why do I do it that way? Because I want to make it as easy for you to try it, because I know if you try it, you're going to like it. It's going to work for you. This is the thank you page you see after you join. Okay. Here's everything laid out for you. Everything's here. Step-by-step instructions, tutorials on how to set up everything. Literally each of these videos is like a minute long. Okay. And then, because it's that easy to set up, by the way, this is where you make all the money, how to get the alerts. So the cool thing is the software can send alerts. You can have it where you get literally a pop-up on your phone or on your computer, wherever you want those alerts to go. It just says, buy here, sell here. And you can do it for any cryptos. You can set up alerts for any cryptos. Okay. By the way, it does also work on stocks. This is Netflix. See right here, this is the Netflix chart, and you can see the software working for Netflix right there. Okay. So you can use it for stocks, crypto, obviously 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can use this software anywhere in the world. All right. So give it a look. Look, if you want to make more money, this is a way to do it. This is what the whales and the really smart money in the room is using. They're using technology. So you're at a disadvantage if you're not using something like this. And by the way, I priced it to be as cheap as possible at a little over $1 a day, because there are trading indicators out there that are charging like $300 a month. And I wanted to be the exact opposite. I wanted to help as many people as I possibly could. Okay. So look, don't begrudge me a buck. Try it. You spend more than $1 a day on crap that doesn't make you a penny. Coffee, a bag of chips, a donut, whatever, right? I don't know why I always go to food, but you get my point. All right. So give it a look. Links in the description below. Go check it out. I'll see you.